Hello guys, this is dooba's tutorial. I'm a little sick, so excuse me. But this is my right, this is my left. Let's get into it. The footwork, it's 8 counts. So I'm stepping on my right and step on my left. Bring my right down, bring my left down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The hands out. Bring it to your heart. This is the right hand. Bring it out. Bring the left hand in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And from here, bring this hand down while this one comes up. Like that. 2 hands, 2 fingers. Just point across your eyes and flick it. Like, do this. 1, 2. And from here, 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 4. So, dooba, dooba. Nili ako meye dooba. And from here, step on your left on your toes, and then switch to your heel and bring it in. So 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2. Now same thing with the right. 1 and 2. Step on your right toe and step on your heel. As soon as you step on your heel, you turn like that. Okay. Your body can turn a little bit. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now the hands is just up, around, up, around. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Yeah. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And keep it right here. Okay, so yeah, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now from here, the hands, bring them both around. Meet in the middle right here. And this left hand goes out like that. While the right hand can prep right here. Okay, so 1 and 2 and the hand would go, this right hand would go left, right. So left, left. So hit down, in. Okay, so 1 and 2, hit, hit. Now the footwork is going to be 1 and 2. So that 1 and 2 is going to be 1 and 2 and. Okay, so 1 and 2 and. Step on the right. So left going behind, right coming out, left back here, right with the knee pointing out. That's and, so that's 1 and 2 and. Now from here, bring it knee in, 3 and 4. Okay, let's go from the beginning real quick. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Dil dooba, Miyako dil dooba, me booba, me booba. Me booba. Now from here, take this left foot, bring it back while your right foot is coming forward, and then you want to step with your left. So here, 1 and 2 and. Okay, but that's going to be now the hands from here. Take your left, bring it down here, and the hands is going to go like that. So from here, 1 and. As soon as this one comes, bring the right up. Bring this hand up. So 1 and 2. My body's straight. So Yakomiye dil dooba. Now from here, Ashik hu. Now from here, do the same thing. Right comes back, left take a step forward, and right meets. So Ashik hu. Now the hand is divanahu. So divanahu. Okay. Ashik divanahu. Now from here, tere liye kuch bhi kar jaunga. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. The footwork is tere लिए कुछ भी कर जाऊंगा. So 5. So you're stepping in with the left on your toes. So bend your knee so you can get on toe. Left. While the right is just moving out with the heel. So 1, and bring the knees in, and now you want to step on your right with the toe, like that, but the left heel goes out, okay? So you want to repeat that process 4 times, or for 4 counts. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? That step might take some practice, but with the hands it's like this, ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So आशिक हूँ दीवाना हूँ तेरे लिए कुछ भी कर जाऊंगा. Okay? And from here, step on the right, step out to the right, and the hands going up and around like that. 1. And turn around, bring them around. So my left is in front now. So 1, 2. Now from here, you want to hold both hands, step out with the left, and bring it in and cross your hands. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here, you want to kind of face to the right. Your body is facing the right, so you can do this footwork. So left in, right. So my heel goes out to the right first, then goes in left, right, left. Okay, that's gonna be 1 and 2 and. Okay, 1 and 2 and. My right is on the toe, so 1 and 2 and. But I'm moving 45 a little bit, yeah. So 1 and 2 and. Okay, now the hands is just like this, but I'm moving with my shoulder. Bringing my left shoulder up, then bring my right shoulder up. So it makes a wave. So 1 and 2 and. Okay, so 1 and 2 and. All right, so 1 and 2 and. Now from here, step on the left, bring it back, right, and jump and hit. So left, right, jump, and right, left, jump. Okay, so left, right, jump, and step left, so right, left, jump, and you kick out. Okay, so from after that, I'll just finish it up real quick. It's like 8 more counts. So 1, 2, hit, and 1, 2, hit. Now from here, step on the right, just walk, 2, 3. It'll be 1, 2, jump, and actually I'd count that. So आशिक हूँ दीवाना हूँ तेरे लिए कुछ भी कर जाऊंगा इश्क में तेरे जीता हूँ तेरे लिए ही मर जाऊंगा. Oh, I forgot step 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When I'm waving, when I'm stepping, I'm waving back. 1, 2. My hand comes up, my right hand. So from here, I'm here, right? 1, 2. Now from here, just bring my left foot back, and my right hand comes up. And you can do a little wave, but that's if you want. You can just step it. 1, 2. Small wave. 1, 2. And then jump to the left. And then 1, 2, 2. 1, 2. Jump. Hit. 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 Okay. Then I was thinking maybe we could just take something from Tumse Milke. So we're gonna jump, hit, shoulders come up too, while the knees are coming up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it says hoi, 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 right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hoi, 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 hoi. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's take a step on the left. So we can reset. Now we're forward. because when you jump like this, our body's 45 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. Now from here is hoi, 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 hoi. So left first, and you just throw the hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That's it. That's the choreo. I'll do it one more time slowly, and that should be it. Okay. Let's go. Let's go slow pace, okay? Let's go this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dil dooba, dil dooba. Nili ako me ye dil dooba. Me booba, me booba. Basiye janale me booba. आशिक हूँ दीवाना हूँ तेरे लिए कुछ भी कर जाऊंगा इश्क में तेरे तड़पा हूँ तेरे लिए ही मर जाऊंगा. Jump 2, 3, 4. Jump 2, 3, 4. Hey 2, 3, 4. Hoi, 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 hoi. Okay, that's the choreo. I might have messed up on the lyrics, but if you do it to counts, it's not that bad. I'm sure you can get it. Have fun with it, and good luck.